how's your feeling about the Basant festival in Lahore? You are looking very pretty.
Thank
and
you.
wearing the color of Basant.
Thank you so much.
What is your feeling, and did you fly a kite?
It's so exciting to be here. Of course, this is my first Basant in Lahore, my first event for Basant. Seeing the energy across the city and the unity among the population, it's really, really wonderful. So I really commend the government and the Chief Minister for all her efforts to make this happen for the community.
What is the most fascinating thing that you enjoyed a lot yesterday or today?
Well, I haven't been able to fly a kite yet, but I'm going to, and it's fascinating to me to see how well people are flying the kites and the competition, but it's just such a wonderful spirit of fun and unity, a happiness in the atmosphere, so I love it.
So, did you like to fly a kite, or someone to teach you how to fly a kite, or make a pecha?
Yes, yes. I'm looking forward to learning to fly a kite. My colleague here just made the picture, so he did really well. I think he's a natural.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Leave it. Okay. What's your name and where are you from?
Hello, my name is Stetson Sanders. I'm the American Consul General here in Lahore. It's wonderful to be here for Basant, the first Basant in 20 years. Lahore. It's so exciting. We were in the walled city last night and we got to see some of the kite flying. The energy in the city is wonderful. It's really great to be here.
Did you make any pecha?
There are quite a few pictures, and I did the bow kata. I already had one success flying the kite.
So you have a little cut on your finger?
I had a little cut on my finger, but I'm going to get better and learn more tonight.
What feeling you getting after having cut on your finger?
Excitement. It's all part of the Basant fun. After all these years to be back, after the Chief Minister has called this event again, and I think so many Lahoris, so many Punjabis really, and people like me from around the world are excited to be here.
Did you expect in the next year the Chief Minister or the government of Punjab also allowed to celebrate the Basant in 2027?
I certainly hope so. I think they're taking precautions so that it's a safe and secure Basant this year. Everyone can have fun. You know, this is a religiously neutral, economically neutral. Everyone can enjoy Basant, and so I hope this is going to be the start of this tradition being revived.
Oh, thank you very much.
Thank you so much.